the qualities which I would prefer was the content and the example given by them, and how the confidence was shown by the students specifically.
I was actually looking for the zeal, no? That enthusiasm of putting the points, having that bold kind of content, then putting it, that little bit of aggression coming out, and raising in the POI section, that point of interjection section. So I was looking forward for that. I just wanted that spark in the students. I was just looking forward for that.
So I think it was more about clarity of thought and how you express that. And I would happily say we could sense it.
Yes.
It was in the air.
Students, how they were clear with their content, the way they were giving some real life examples which are just going on, and having their point of interjection well said with the other students also.
I like the quality of gelling up, I mean, see, as you all know that we are actually the host team, right? Many schools, 5 schools, and that too top-notch schools, okay, are the participators here. And it is very important for our students and those participators to gel up. So I just, it was a very brilliant experience of me that I actually was able to witness that gelling out, the students. It's not only that one school is only there in one corner, just sitting with that school only, having that decision with that particular school. It was a, decision and discussion coming out here and there, and the zeal, the enthusiasm of gelling up, not only with your own companions, but also your opponent companions. So that was a very good thing which I observed today.
I think what I could sense strongly was confidence, and the confidence here was infectious.
Yeah, true.
It was a very neck-to-neck competition, and it was really great judging them.
As we all know, more students participating in debate makes the student strong, right? Strong spokesperson. I mean, like when we talk about India, we need spokesperson. Like we need people who speak, who comes up. Why? Because we all are having the right to speak, freedom of speech and expression. And if one is speaking so nicely, so brilliantly, tremendously, he has to come up, she has to come up, right? And present the view so clearly in front of the audience that yes, this is my view. So debate do not just bring that quality out. Actually, the main role of debate is nurturing the quality where a student have the confidence and then bring it out on the stage like that. So that is what I think so.
I would say that it would be the voice of a person which is very important. That what are your opinions, it all matters, and if you're able to deliver them and to express them very well, a debate is a very good platform for anyone to express their views and become the voice what they want to say, because many people want to hear what you say, and when you speak they come to know all about your personality, what are your thoughts, what are your things going on, and how you carry forward your strength and weaknesses.
Well, I would like to simply add the element of listening here. A good listener is a good speaker. So yes, when you debate, you don't just speak, you listen, and there's brainstorming, and then you come to a conclusion. So it's indeed needed. Thank you.
Well, according to me, Yatharthwad is a platform of flying. It gives wings to the students who are actually searching for the wings of debating, the wings of clarification, the wings of actually flying high, and with the views which really, emphasizes the positivity of what a speaker should have, the positivity of what exactly the emotions come out and how do people react on it. So I guess Yatharth is actually the word in itself, comprises so many things, so many positive things, and we being the platform to this particular debate is something, as I told you, is a feather in the cap. So it's like that.
Well, I think we had 5 guests. I'm expecting 15, and next year 50. That's how we grow and shine. Thank you.